Every JavaScript developer assigns values to variables, but how you do it makes a difference. So you might write it like this, step by step. Let me say, for example, here, let's take variable names, price, quantity, and let's say total cost. So we just declare a variable. So we just declare these variables. Now let's initialize it. So that is giving them a specific value. So let's say 10 here. Price is 10. The quantity is 2. And the total cost will be like, let's say for example, 20. This way of doing works perfectly, but the problem here is that it's a little bit long and repetitive. The shorthand coding I'm about to show you here will basically take you from 4 lines of code to 1 line of code. It's a game changer. So to do that, we shall use a concept in JavaScript that we call array destructuring. So what does it mean? Let me just try and show you guys quickly. So we still use our declaration keyword let, and the difference here is that we just use these braces and name all our variables quantity and total cost. So now there is an error because we cannot really declare variables in JavaScript. So let me just comment this whole code out. I think now it's better. So on the right hand side, we declare a temporary array. So here we like 10, 2, and 20. So now let's just test if it's working by consoling, logging this value, say price, quantity, and total cost. As you can see, we have it here, 10, 2, and 20. So that is, as I said, a game changer. So this 1 line of code, this one line of code declares and assigns all 3 variables simultaneously. So it is smart, neat, and professional to use this approach when you want to declare and assign variables. So how does it work quickly? So on the right hand side, we have a temporary array. So we basically create a temporary array to store the values, and on the left hand side we destructure this array using the array destructuring concept in JavaScript. So that is, we destructure this array by position, which simply means that price has the value of 10, quantity has the value of 2 and 20, and total cost has the value of 20. I want to say 20 has the value of cost. Total cost doesn't make sense. So why is it that this short trick is a game changer? As I said, it's quick, it's faster, and you don't have to write any more code. So you don't have to write too much lines. It improves. The second reason here is that it improves your code clarity. And a simple beginner tip that I can give here is that start with the longhand approach to grab the concept. That is the concept of declaration, initialization, hoisting, and so on and so forth. And when you are done with that, switch to array destructuring for cleaner and faster code. So now let me know in the comments below if you prefer the classic or the modern way. So don't forget to like if this tip really helps simplify your code, and subscribe for more JavaScript